Greetings, everyone. So, Eurovision Semifinal 2 is done, but I am not done yet. Because Baby Lasagna from Croatia and Käärijä from Finland have released a song together called EURODAB, which I guess they will perform in the final on Saturday. To say that I'm surprised that these two absolute legends of the Eurovision and winners of the People in the last 2 years created a song together would be a lie. To be honest, I fully expected for them to, in some point in time, create a song together because there are similarities in their genres, there are similarities in their Eurovision stories. So, yeah, I think these two are match to make the song together. So I'm super excited to listen to this. So without any further ado, we're gonna talk about this song a bit later. Baby Lasagna and Käärijä with a song called #EuroDab. Let's go.
One step forward, one step back. Everybody knows how to clap, clap, clap. Good old times, we don't miss you back.
We heard this in the stories on Instagram. It's crazy, it's party.
One step forward, one step back. Everybody knows how to clap, clap, clap. Good old times, we don't miss you back. So we bring back that dab, dab, dab. One step forward, one step back. Everybody knows how to clap, clap, clap. Good old times, we don't miss you back. So we bring back that dab, dab, dab.
They should have competed in Eurovision with this. Wait, what? That was Croatian. But I didn't understand. Wait. Let's go back. Do we have captions? Definitely Croatian. What? I did not understand everything he said. This is gonna be crazy on Saturday.
Now everybody knows how to.
All right. Oh, in the words of Great Käärijä, it was crazy, it was party, and they're gonna be crazy and they're gonna make party on Saturday when they perform this. Holy shit! Woohoo! Pure entertainment. This is what I expected from them. I love that they sang in Croatian and Finnish. That's cool. And the chorus, I don't know, the chorus was sang, I don't know by whom. Was it, I don't know, just a vocal effect, which was in English. So, I mean, this is, I would maybe expect a bit more to go into the metal genre, like a mix of this like electronic music and a bit of metal maybe, but no, I don't mind it didn't go there honestly, because this was super fucking fun. And I cannot wait to see this live. And I guess they're gonna. I hope they're gonna perform their songs like Cha Cha Cha, then Rimtim Tagidim, and then they're gonna come together to perform this. This is my idea in the head. What's it gonna look like? So yeah, let's wait and see. But this was fucking good. Yeah, this one is gonna be on the repeat, definitely for sure. So yeah, Käärijä, Baby Lasagna. I mean, both of you should have won, in my opinion. So yeah, but I think they won. I mean, they are legends of Eurovision already, and yeah, I think this is gonna be really popular, and it's gonna do great for both of them. And I mean, both of their careers exploded after the Eurovision. I would never know about Käärijä if there wasn't for Eurovision. Maybe Serbian, I would know about Baby Lasagna, but I mean, I don't think that he would reach the heights that he did without Eurovision. So yeah, I think first and foremost, like the thing about Eurovision is that you get to know the artists, and these artists get their break into Europe. There can be only one winner, and let's not go into reasons, and let's not go into the voting, because this is a celebration of these two amazing artists, and two amazing guys and amazing artists. Uh, yeah, I think that you know as I said, this was supposed to happen, and it was only a matter of time. So yeah, it lived up to my expectations of what Käärijä and Baby Lasagna would sound like. So yeah, Eurodab, that was it. Let's call it a day. It's been a really long day, and yeah, I'm gonna listen to this one a couple of more times. It's definitely gonna put me in sleepy mode, and it's already like after midnight. So yeah, I should probably go to bed. But yeah, I'm gonna listen to this one and like party by myself, unfortunately. With this song. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned for the Eurovision finals, hit the subscribe button, and you can check some other Baby Lasagna uh, reactions that I did in his entire album, for example. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.